G'day guys, John here, Chief Instructor FPV Australia. We're out in the field today. It's beautiful. A little bit of a breeze, it's all happening. But it is all happening because we just had a visitor turn up, and I didn't have my video running because I was in the middle of doing other things, but someone else did, and so I'll splice it in here. You'll see this fella turned up, and we're here basically in the middle of nowhere. There's no airport near us. There's one about 20 miles away, but it's certainly not just around the corner. And we're on an oval in the middle of nowhere, and he turned up. We saw him coming, and I guess it reinforces the fact of why we carry an airband radio, because as he was approaching, he was really low and he was coming straight at us, and I had a fair indicator he might have wanted this oval. So I gave him a call, we had a chat. He tells me he was going to put down next to us to offload a fella. He did that and thanked us for our time and took off. It just sort of reinforced the importance, I guess, of having this airband radio, because as he was inbound, he was headed straight at us, and he was very, very, very low. We landed the drones. I gave him a call, had a chat, found out what he was doing. He told me what he was doing. He was landing here, so we coordinated amongst ourselves, and yeah, he landed. I offloaded his fella and took back off again and thanked us for our cooperation and disappeared. I mean, it was a really good experience for the students, but it reinforces the fact again that, you know, just because you're flying a drone here in the middle of an oval, in the middle of nowhere, effectively, doesn't mean we're not going to actually tangle, so to speak, or conflict or share the airspace with another airspace user. It was just one of those things. It just happened, and it was great that it happened. I got these blokes to see this unfold, and you know, it's experience you can't pay for. So again, don't think because you're in the middle of nowhere, and we are literally, that nothing like this could happen, because it just did. Anyway, something to think about. Make sure when you're flying, have your airband radio, know your frequencies, know what's going on. Incidentally, if you're wondering what frequency we got this fella on, this helicopter, he's obviously flying around. He'd be monitoring the region frequency, but I had a fair indicator that he would also monitor 126.7, the multi-com channel. So that's the first channel I gave him a yell on, keep off the region, and he answered me. So it was really good. Anyway, hope you're having a great day where you are. Again, every day on the drone field is a great day. See ya.